In 1996, Abhi Fine Products began as a small dream in Coimbatore with a handful of machines, a few people and one belief, to deliver the best possible. We started with surface finishing tools, deburring tools, jigs and fixtures. To solve real problems for automobile, hydraulics and pneumatics, defense, motor industries, aerospace, oil and gas, railways, marine, manufacturing, tool and die-making industry across India. Then came a challenge that changed everything. An ordnance factory in Trichy asked us to develop honing tools for gun barrel applications on German machines. Our CEO, Mr. Nanda Gopal, took the challenge and delivered it. With our team, we turned vision into reality. And from there, we started growing. Single-pass honing tools became single-pass honing machines. We built vertical single-pass machines, expansion vertical honing machines, and powerful horizontal honing machines for long and critical bores. Then, we added auto gauging, auto expansion, multi-spindle configurations, customized honing machine and in-house production. We choose a different path to be close to our customers, to design around their components, and to offer complete honing solutions under one roof. Machines, tools, fixtures and deburring. Today, as we celebrate 30 years, our expanding global footprint, our greatest achievement is the trust of every customer who chose Abhi Fine Products when precision truly mattered. And we're grateful for every customer who became a part of our journey. Celebrating 30 years and beyond. Abhi Fine Products.